High above the Earth in a silent orbit, drifts an object that shouldn't exist. It doesn't belong to any country. It wasn't launched by any space agency. Yet it's been up there for decades, maybe even centuries. NASA calls it space debris. Conspiracy theorists call it the Black Knight satellite. The story begins in 1954. Before humans had ever sent a satellite into orbit, several newspapers, including the St. Louis Dispatch, reported that the U.S. Air Force had detected two mysterious objects circling the Earth. Scientists couldn't explain it. No one had launched anything yet. Then, in 1960, the U.S. Navy tracked a large, dark object moving in a polar orbit, something only used by surveillance satellites today. But this was years before that technology existed. The Pentagon called it a piece of space junk. The press wasn't convinced. In 1998, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour photographed a strange, angular black object drifting near their ship. The images went viral. NASA said it was a thermal blanket that had come loose. But amateur astronomers who tracked the Black Knight for decades claimed it was the same object first detected 40 years earlier. And that's where things get strange. Some say the satellite isn't really human at all, that it is an ancient probe placed in orbit by an alien civilization thousands of years ago, quietly monitoring Earth. Others believe it's tied to Nikola Tesla himself. In 1899, Tesla claimed to have intercepted repeating radio signals from space, signals that seemed intelligent. Later, scientists realized they came from something orbiting Earth, long before humanity had the means to send anything up there. Here's where you pause for a second. If you believe there's more watching us than we admit, like this story and comment your theory below. Because whether this satellite is alien, ancient, or military, one thing's for sure, we were never told the whole truth. Theorists claim the Black Knight transmits coded signals, a repeating pattern that doesn't match any natural radio wave. Every time someone gets close to decoding it, the transmission stops. Then days later it starts again, shifted to a new frequency. Even stranger, it's been photographed from different angles, and its shape seems to change. Some images show jagged metal edges, others smooth plating, almost like it's adapting or alive. NASA insists it's nothing but debris, a thermal blanket left over from a 1998 space mission. But those who've analyzed the original photos say the size and orbit done to match any known object. It moves independently, shifts altitude, and occasionally vanishes from radar, only to reappear weeks later. If it's just junk, why has it been tracked for over 70 years? Why do multiple governments still quietly monitor it? Some believe the Black Knight is part of a network of alien probes left behind to observe humanity's evolution and to activate when we reach a certain level of technology.